Millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all and hopefully help y'all become more informed investors, man. Salute to everybody rocking with the channel, man. I appreciate y'all for pulling up on me. First things first, hit that thumbs up, like, come check out our private investment community, private stock market game on Facebook. Over 5,000 active investors. Right now, if you want to get in ASAP, you have to grab the book from the link in the description section on Amazon. My book is on Amazon right now. Also, come follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. I'm doing a lot of giveaways. Also, I will be announcing the winner from our last giveaway on this next live stream. Yes, I will be going live streaming about 1 hour from this video, maybe an hour and a half, but make sure you got your notifications on, so subscribe so you do not miss that. We will be covering everything that's going on. I'll be doing some price predictions, technical analysis, fundamental analysis as well, and I'll be also giving y'all more information on the Shiba Inu billboard that is coming to Las Vegas. So salute to everybody for rocking with me. Again, follow me on Twitter and Instagram at DecemberDeMarco, the same way the YouTube channel is spelled. So here we are for the daily discussion. So shout out to everybody on the Sheep Army Reddit page that's a part of the community. So we got the daily discussion, but I like to come through here and see what's up, just to get an eye, what's going on with the market, maybe catch some news early, if somebody else caught something that nobody else caught. So and also get an idea of what the sentiment of the market is with Sheep. So sentiment basically is the feeling, or how people are, the energy around it. Is it good? Is it bad right now? A lot of people right now are very, very bullish, which is positive about Sheep. Bullish just means that people believe the price is going to go up. So if you hear somebody say bullish, that's what they're talking about. If you hear somebody say bearish, that is someone who believes the price is going to go down. So a lot of times you'll hear bulls, people say that I'm a bull. That just means that they're particularly bullish on the overall time that we're in. That means they believe that it's going to continue to go up. If a person is bearish, that means they believe that the overall time period that we're in, the price will be going down. And y'all got to excuse me sometime. I'll be getting sometimes sidetracked. It'll be so much going on. And I'm actually recording this live. And I ain't really editing it at all. I'm just straight dropping it for y'all. So shout out to y'all that's rocking with me. Let me know what's one of the most helpful things that you learned from this channel. In my last 20 videos, if you go back and really watch those, if you just lock in, binge watch those like you do a Netflix show or something like that really quick, man, y'all will be, I'm telling you, light years ahead of everybody else that's just jumping into this game, that's throwing their money into crypto and do not know what they're doing. Nobody else is teaching y'all this on YouTube in this space. So salute to y'all for rocking with me. Let me know if you appreciate this by dropping some diamond gem emojis in the comment section, or some fire emojis, or the rocket emojis. I'm gonna give y'all a second to do that, man. Did y'all drop them, man? Let me know if you dropped it. Also, if you're new to the channel, drop your name in the comment section so I can become more familiar with you, so we could begin to build that rapport down there in the comments. And y'all have to know that the people who I see most engaged with the channel are the ones who if I'm having trouble picking a winner for a giveaway or something, those are the people that are most likely to receive the prize, because I see them constantly engaged. If I see your name often, you're constantly sharing the video on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco, you constantly tapped in with me in our private investment community, I'm gonna recognize you. What I'm saying? I be seeing y'all. So salute. So someone says, I have 50 million sheep. Should I buy 100 million? Be honest with me. Now y'all have to know, this is not financial advice. You have to always do your own due diligence, never risk more than you're willing to lose, and always use proper risk management. Now, I would definitely say you want to have more than 50 million sheep. You don't have to if you can afford it, though. I would definitely get more. Now, the way you do that is by buying those dips. Now, y'all should know how to buy the dips by using your Fibonacci retracement tool that I've been showing y'all in my last 20 videos. So if you don't know how to do that, you need to go back and check that out. Also, I've been introducing y'all to new indicators, how to perfectly time, when to buy in, and also when you can sell. Now, I'm diamond handing sheep for 5 years plus, but for those that want to know how to, secure some of their profit and things like that, this is how you do it. And also, you can have multiple wallets. I do have, different wallets that I hold sheep in, just in case something go crazy and I need to pull a little cherry off the top. But right now, I already know this is nothing what we're seeing right now. So I'm just adding to the dip, and waiting for this rocket to hit the moon, man. So that's my honest opinion. I think you should have more. Now, this is not financial advice. If you can afford it, do not, put yourself in a hole. Do not risk the rent money. I have people telling me that they already did that before, and I do not recommend that, because if you do that, you'll put yourself in a stressful situation, and then you'll begin to commit investment sins, which is things like panic selling, things like paper handing, things that you don't want to do, or chasing, and trying to recover from a loss and consistently getting wrecked back and forth. So I'm trying to protect y'all from that, man. So a lot of people do not like that I'm breaking down the charts like this, because it shows y'all, to not always just buy. And I guess sometimes that could possibly slow down the momentum as y'all become better informed investors and y'all learn how to buy the dip. But, we are right now, a moderate sized community. We are about almost 20,000 subscribers. Salute to y'all that are subscribing. Remember, drop a comment section if if you're new to the channel. We have over 7,000 subscribers in the last few days. But, y'all are learning how to basically buy the dip, how to get the best buying opportunity possible, and, so that way you're not buying at the top. Because a lot of people tell me this, if this has happened to you, drop it in the comment section. They say they get in, they bought the top, and then the price immediately drops. Now, let me tell y'all why that happens. Because, and this might sound a little basic for some people, but y'all have to please realize that we have a lot of beginners in the market. Every new cycle that we have like this, when we get a super catalyst, when the news is going crazy and the price is going parabolic, there will be new investors that become aware of Shiba Inu, and they will jump in at the top because they're thinking it's going to continue to go up. But what they don't know is that was possibly the top of the cycle, which is the hype, the FOMO stage. So once FOMO is activated, which is, if you hear FOMO or see FOMO, that stands for fear of missing out. So once we hit that stage, and all the retail investors, like, not just us, but the ones that are new, they will begin to buy that top. And, a lot of people that have been in already, they'll begin to take profit, which will bring the price down. Then the people who don't understand why the price is dropping, they'll begin to panic sell because their position is lowering, or they're, just seeing volatility in the price. So, when that happens, you should, hold steady. Do not panic. If you believe in the project, if you did your due diligence and you think it's a solid project, they have use case, you believe in a team, then don't panic. That's an opportunity to buy more. Think about it. If they bring the price down on you, you bought in at the top. Think about it. If you threw, 10,000 in at the top, right, and they pulled it down to you, and now your investment is down to $2,000, throw another $10,000 in and think about how much more money you're going to make at the bottom right there. So basically you're getting 5x what you purchased for. My bad, y'all. I'm bad at throwing the math out there like that, but you're getting a lot more, value by buying the dip, because it's basically like almost a 80% discount. So it's like you're buying, once it returns to that price, you get an 80% return on your money once it goes back to normal price. Then imagine once it, goes even further. And then now if you man, this is crazy. This information I'm dropping for y'all is fire, man. Let me show y'all exactly on the Shiba Inu chart how to identify the dip, so y'all can actually see what I mean real time, because I'm not just trying to report news. I'm trying to actually give y'all something y'all can use, really, that when you leave these videos, you feel like you found a gem or something that you can take and put on the chart yourself. And like, I know this, or, this helped me understand it a little bit better, because, I want us to make, all of us to make money over here. I'm doing well, why wouldn't I want to share this information with y'all? And, why wouldn't y'all want to share this information with other people? So make sure you share this video, help bring more awareness to the community. One thing that I'm planning on doing to help bring more awareness to the Shiba Inu community is getting my BMW i8 wrapped with Shiba Inu wrap, basically, to help bring more awareness to the project. So that, and y'all got to know, I'm here in Las Vegas. It's a lot of tourists that come here. The tourists come here, they, stay here for a weekend or a week or however long, and then they go back home. Imagine, I'm here every day, driving around, people see my doors lift up. Then they ask me, what do you do for a living? What is this? What is that? Imagine having, Shiba Inu on there with a QR code where people can, go directly somewhere and find out more information about it. I think that's really big. I already get a lot of people that take pictures of my car and stuff like that. So let me know if y'all are interested in doing that. I'm trying to see if the community wants to support doing that. If y'all do want to do that, get the car wrap. I will, the car is free. Y'all got to pay for the wrap if y'all want to come together and do that. But also, we could think about getting some billboards out here in Las Vegas as well. So if y'all want to see the price continue to rise, we need new catalysts. Us as a community, we can create our own new catalysts by doing things like this. So let me know if y'all are really serious about this. If y'all are really Sheeb Army drop hashtag Sheeb Army in the comment section. And if you are interested in, helping with this cause, then leave a comment letting me know that, or email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com. Matter of fact, just email me, because some of the comments get lost. And also in the comment section, please beware of the scammers. There's a lot of scammers down there that are trying to take advantage of people. I actually see people going over to WhatsApp and talking to these scammers. I will never ask you to message me on WhatsApp. If somebody says to message you on WhatsApp or any link or social media that's not an official link of mine, and it's not in the description section of this video, then it is not official, y'all. Please be aware, protect your crypto, protect your money. Don't do anything risky. So now we are on the day chart right here. So we'll move down to the 4-hour, see what we got. We just, kind of zoom in as we, analyze, what trends are we in. So right away we seen we're kind of still in a bullish trend right there. So we'll pull out on the 4-hour, still looking good. Hit a support here. Now y'all can come here, start charting it up ASAP. You could just start grabbing, your horizontal line. Remember, I've been teaching on these last videos how to identify support zones, how to identify resistance zones right there. Areas in the chart where the price doesn't want to move beyond, or it's having a hard time breaking through. I told y'all we need to break through these 3 levels. We really need to smash these 3 levels before we can begin to, go to that next channel. Because a lot of people took profit up here. We have a heavy. So this is a good opportunity to teach y'all about this as well. This is what we could do. Remember I told y'all the other day about supply zones, and I asked y'all, were y'all ready for that? A lot of y'all told me in the comment section that y'all were ready for supply zones. I didn't want to overwhelm y'all, but y'all said y'all are ready, man. So let's pay attention to this real quick. Y'all see we got this impulse right here, correction, impulse, correction. If you've been connecting the dots on these videos, you know exactly what I'm talking about. If not, please go back, binge watch these last about 20 videos. This is literally collegiate level information. They're not teaching you this information in college. If this was information that they would be teaching you in college, I promise you, your degree will be costing you at least around $60,000 to $70,000, even 6 figures for this type of information. I made a lot of money doing this stuff, so just trust me, y'all. But always do your own due diligence. Don't ever just dive in, ape in, FOMO in. Remember, when I buy the dips, I always try to leave enough money to buy the dip, and then buy it if it dips again, and then also have enough money to buy it if it dips again. So the way you do that is by dollar cost averaging, or just breaking your money into separate portions. So let's say if you had $1,000 that you were planning to throw in at this place, you would divide that 1,000 up by 3. So basically $333 at each dip. That way, you're getting cheaper and cheaper crypto for, you're getting the crypto cheaper at each dip. In case it does dip, you're prepared to still have money. A lot of people ask, they say, I'm down on this. What should I do? Put some more money, buy the dip. You know what I'm saying? Don't just, don't let that opportunity pass you, because when you buy the dip, you buy here and it returns. Say you bought in here, right? You bought in here at this top, price pulls all the way back down. Let's say 30-40%. You lose $400 out of your 1,000. You put another 1,000 here, you go back up 40%. You just made $400, and you have your original $1,000. So now you're up $2,400. That's what I'm trying to show y'all. That's why it's important to buy the dip. So I hope y'all are really taking notes, paying attention to this. Let me know if this information is helpful. So we got another resistance area here. Wicks are wicking up there, or the shadows, depending on where you learn from, what you want to call them. It's up to you. I don't really mind about the different definitions people decide to use, but you'll see some people be picky about that and try to make it be something more than what it really is. But as long as you can identify the trends in the chart, you can identify the support levels here, support level, the resistance levels here, the upwards trend here, the downwards trend here. We got another trend forming. What do y'all see? What is the next trend that y'all see? Let me know. Drop it in the comment section. Remember, I told y'all this is StockGoat University. We will get a lot more formal than this. Y'all will see we got a lot of big things I'm working on behind the scenes, but I will be giving out diplomas and certificates to those that are really following along, and I see y'all improving and progressing. Now, it will be some real, test involved in this. It's not just going to be given out to anybody. You have to really be learning, and that's my goal, to help y'all become better informed investors. And what better way to do it than, help y'all be able to track y'all progress and, stay motivated with the course that we're taking, because, this is going to really pay off for y'all. A lot of y'all are telling me already that y'all are learning a lot, man. And it's, it's very motivating to see that. So that's why I'm giving out this information. This is course level stuff. The people that know this information, they do not share this for free, or it's inside of their courses, or, you know, they're just busy trading, you know, bigger things. They consider crypto a waste of time, or not all crypto, but maybe meme coins like Shiba Inu, you know, the other Saitamas, you know, coins we cover on the channel. They would consider that a waste of time. They're trading the US 30s, NASDAQ, options, commodities, futures. They're trading, you know, penny stocks even. They're trading anything but these meme coins. So, and not everybody is general, but I'm just saying that nobody else is bringing it like this, y'all. So just rock with me. You know, if this information is a little bit beyond you, you got to be patient that we have a lot of new investors. I do have a lot more advanced technical analysis tips and tricks and information inside of my course. If you're interested right now, there's very, very, very limited seats left. This is about the last chance y'all will have to purchase the technical analysis course at 50% off pre-sale price. So do not miss out on this opportunity. It literally will not be this cheap ever again. So salute to everybody that has already grabbed theirs. Shout out to y'all. You know, stay down for the come up. This is going to be an amazing journey, and, you know, stay tuned for what we have coming up. So right now what we did was just threw some trend lines on the chart to see what we have. We can basically identify, you know, what levels is it hitting. You know, if we pop back into certain levels, what is likely to happen. We keep, it's a lot right here to, you know, take in. I don't want to overwhelm y'all, but we can also throw in a few indicators. So let's try to slowly sneak in some of these indicators on y'all without, you know, don't get overwhelmed. But, you know, we also throw our Bollinger Bands up. This is one of my favorite indicators I like to use because it lets us know when the price is becoming expensive for where it's at and when the price is becoming cheap for where it's at. So when we pull this out, we might have to drop down to the 1 hour because right now, you know, it gives us more price action. So when you can identify these opportunities when the price or the candle hits this lower Bollinger Band, that's always, not always, I can't say always, but that's most times a good buying opportunity. Most times when you see it hit this lower Bollinger Band, you will see bulls or buyers begin to step in and buy up the price. Now pay attention to right here because this is something that's a little tricky. So I try to teach y'all different ways, you know, that I actually see live. But you notice right here, so it hit the lower Bollinger Band and it continued to go down, but that's because look how much selling pressure was here. Look at the volume candles here. Hopefully y'all can see this. Look at how much volume. When you see this happening and you see this much volume come in, when this much volume sneaks in, you got to know that that's going to trigger a panic sale in the market. So we would already knew right here that, you know, it was about to go down. We're just waiting for a new support level. We're waiting for all this red, these tall red candles. Notice how much larger they are than the ones next to them. We're waiting for these to, you know, kind of find a resistance level right here, the volume to resist this level. You can also do this analysis, you know, this charting on volume as well. So we see the resistance level around here. So that told us this is pretty much a support level. So bulls were smart to see that this was the new support. They started buying here. Pay attention to the price action. Actually look at the candles and notice what happened. So look, we went all the way in a correction, downtrend, but look what happened. We hit the support line here. We had bulls step in. Notice as soon as we hit the support, please y'all try to catch this. Drop in the comment section if you appreciate this information and if it's helpful. But you notice we had a sell-off. We hit the support line. Bulls stepped in, pushed the price up. They lost momentum. Sellers tried to push it back down again. Boom, 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 boom. We hit the support line. Bulls stepped right back in right there, took it back up. Sellers came again, pushed it down. Bulls came back in as soon as it hit the support line. You notice we had our doji candles signaling that what's about to happen when we start seeing these doji candles forming like this back to back. A trend reversal is likely. So we knew here, we seen a double bottom form. We seen it would hold this support level. So that tells us it doesn't want to go lower than this. We see doji candles forming. What does that mean? It doesn't want to go lower than this. It's finding a support. We see doji candles forming. That tells us a trend reversal is likely to happen. It doesn't mean it's guaranteed to happen. You know, I don't have a crystal ball here. We're just interpreting the data that the chart is telling us. A new catalyst in the market or a major piece of news can shift this information, and we would have to, reanalyze it. But we got our doji candles forming. Guess what happened right after that doji candle formed? We had a green buy candle come in. Now look right here at this part. Shout out to everybody reaching out to the channel. I will get to y'all right after this video. But after these doji candles started to form, what happened now? We get some buy indicators. So we can see buyers start to step back in right here with this green volume, with these green candles. You see these green candles start to come in, we can see the buyers start to come in. So also we get another doji candle here while we're still consolidating or trading sideways. The next thing you know, guess what happened? Boom, smart money activated. This is smart money, or you know, whoever, whales, crypto, you know, whatever y'all want to call it, institutions. It could be anybody, a group of people working together. But smart money, people that notice something. They read the chart. They noticed this right here. They seen support, dojis, green coming. Boom, confirmation candle because it's still green, closed green, and it's also making higher lows along this trend line. Then guess what? Look at this volume candle that came in. You see how much larger this volume candle is compared to the ones next to it? Boom, shot the price up. This is what I want y'all to start paying attention to. Y'all got to look at volume as well. It's very, very important. So that's something, if you know, this is just a mini lesson inside of, you know, a lot of other lessons. If you go back through the channel, you can see I'm really connecting these dots for y'all and trying to give y'all a better understanding of what's going on in these meme coins, altcoins, or whatever. If you have a project that you want me to check out, if it's something that, you know, is serious, drop it in the comment section. If the community supports the project, I will check it out. Also, if, you know, y'all, a lot of y'all don't know this, but many of y'all that have been rocking with me for a while, y'all already know I'm a Fortune 500 marketer. I have a decentralized finance marketing company. And if you are having you know, if you're a part of a crypto project or a token, and, you know, you're seeing it's not doing too good, they need help with the marketing side, have them reach out to me. You know, I can give them some consultation, give them some information that will possibly help them, you know, boost the community up, you know, things that they can improve on to become a better project. So that's all we got for this video. Again, 50% off the pre-sale price on my technical analysis course. Yes, this is a little basic here. Well, not too basic. It's very valuable information, but, you know, so it gets a lot deeper than this. So do not think this is the end all be all. But if you're ready to take it to the next level, email me at DecemberDeMarco@gmail.com to get my technical analysis course. That's all we got for this video. Appreciate y'all for rocking with me, and we are out.